To create something bold, you must think boldly. In every way, from start to finish, you must be inventive. Stretch your capabilities with new tools. Expand your capacity with new facilities. Cross new frontiers in flight deck technology, advanced composites, and more. So that businesses can cross their frontiers in the fastest, largest, longest range Falcon ever.